Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about Team Dog, the legendary team from Sonic Heroes that was one of the best teams we've gotten in years. We had recurring characters like Shadow and Rouge from Adventure 2, and a new portion, Omega, a great character introduced to the team. And the team was pretty good. Rouge walks into the base walks into one of the Eggman's bases, and then she finds a capsule with Shadow. Then Omega attempts to fight Shadow, and Shadow gets moved away from the situation, and then Omega and Shadow start fighting. But the thing is that Rouge finally stops him from fighting and realizes that Omega wants revenge on Eggman and his dad. Well, Shadow wants to find out his past and his memories. So Rouge wants to find treasure. So they all have something to do, and they all should become friends in order to do things faster. But the thing is that through the game they get a great relationship. But the next game, Shadow the Hedgehog kind of dunks on and ruins the whole thing. By Shadow being an edgelord, that means that the entire thing gets ruined. Yeah, this doesn't really have much Team Dog. None of the top it's not like Shadow and Omega and Rouge talk to each other at all. Shadow talks with Rouge and Shadow talks with Omega. Not all three of them. So that's the relationship. The next thing, Sonic 06 doesn't actually crack on the character's legacy. Basically, everyone's perfectly fine. I haven't played this game or seen much about the game, and I heard it's pretty good, and hey, that's good. Next thing is Sonic Unleashed. Sonic Unleashed is a great game, but none of them talk. Rouge and Omega and Shadow don't even appeal. And the stories of games don't count because they don't appeal to you. Well, Shadow does, and Rouge I don't think does. I thought too good. Omega is. And next game that we're seeing is like Generation. But the problem is, I'm not really a team. Omega, I don't even think it's cool. And the next game, Sonic Mania, is a 2D game. So we can't. It's a 2D game that doesn't have many characters. And mod them in and characters and and next game, Sonic Forces. Sonic Forces. After Mania, that Sonic Forces is kind of trash on the phone. The short mentions for her team up, Mega Man absolutely destroyed, and losing translation. Just because they give you a free DLC to clean some of it up, it's still not over. So the next game, Sonic Control doesn't win as anything. Sonic Dream Team, I don't think there's something to do. But, I can't really blame them on those games. And that's supposed to happen. Sonic Dream Team, I heard, is pretty good. So, yeah. Team Dog can make them, and I feel like they should get more credit. Anyways, that's been a new video. this week I'm getting crazy. Like, subscribe, and see you later. And see you later. Have a great day. And I'll play you a bit of this advertisement. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Skip over. Oh man, this machine is so good. This machine is so good. Like, I love this machine. And of course people would call this emo, but it's not emo. This is a great song. I'll just let you listen to this concert.
A shadow of myself, just who am I? Scan horizons, a tragic mystery. You could have left me here, suicide thought. No one would ever know the chaos control. My true identity, the power that is me.
And I don't know what to leave you guys off with. Team Doke is very good, and I wish they got more credit for what they do for the Sonic series. See you later. Like, subscribe, and have a great day. This week has been busy. I would give you a really big video, but I can't do that because the Super Bowl is happening, and I know that lots of people will be able to watch me because I'm watching the Super Bowl. But have fun. Bye.